Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of quantum technology and exploring a recent breakthrough that could revolutionize energy storage. Australian scientists have claimed to have developed the world's first quantum battery, and it's got everyone buzzing. But what does this mean for the future of energy and technology? Let's find out. First things first, what exactly is a quantum battery? Well, it's not your typical battery that you'd find in your phone or car. Quantum batteries harness the principles of quantum mechanics to store energy, and they have the potential to be way more efficient than conventional batteries. The idea was first proposed in 2013, and now, researchers have finally created a prototype that can charge wirelessly using a laser. The key to this innovation lies in something called collective effects. When there are more quantum cells involved, they charge faster. This is a game-changer because, in conventional batteries, charge time increases with size. So, your phone takes 30 minutes to charge, and your electric car takes overnight. But with quantum batteries, the larger they are, the less time they take to charge. It's like the opposite of what we're used to. The prototype they've developed charges in femtoseconds, which is an incredibly short time. To put that into perspective, if a battery took 1 minute to charge, this prototype would stay charged for a couple of years. That's a huge leap forward in terms of charging speed and efficiency. However, there's a catch. The current prototype has a very small capacity, only a few billion electron volts, which is not enough to power anything useful. The next step is to increase the storage time so that these batteries can hold a charge for longer periods. This is crucial if we want to use them for everyday applications, like talking on a mobile phone. One of the most exciting potential applications of quantum batteries is in remote charging. Imagine charging a drone while it's in flight or your car while you're driving. No more stopping at gas stations. This technology could revolutionize the way we power our devices and vehicles. But it's important to note that these batteries are not going to be in electric vehicles anytime soon. The first place they'll likely have an impact is in quantum computers. Quantum batteries can provide energy coherently with minimal energy cost, which is crucial for these powerful computers. In my opinion, this development is a significant step forward in energy storage and technology. It shows that quantum batteries are more than just an idea, they're becoming a reality. But it's also a reminder that we're still in the early stages of this technology. We need to keep pushing the boundaries and exploring new possibilities. What do you think about this breakthrough? Are you excited about the potential of quantum batteries? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating tech insights. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.